How to buy your first rental property in 2 minutes or less? Here we go.
Welcome to the Smack Fest, the beat down.
Ain't nobody got time for that intro. Hey guys, my name is William. I own a bunch of real estate rental properties. And if you like financial freedom, follow this channel and do all that fun stuff. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to Zillow or any MLS site out there. You're gonna find a property. Let's pick this one right here. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna copy and paste the address, and then you're gonna stick it in rentometer.com. Okay, so the next thing we want is how much does it rent per month? You're gonna scroll down, you're gonna say, hey, look, it is 1,550 square feet. So I'm going to find something that's going to be like, which is going to be around there, is about 2,120 or so. Okay, so you know, hey, it rents pretty close to the 1% rule, and you're going to see it is turnkey, ready to go. Offer price on this could be something around like 210,000, 220,000, something like that to actually make sense. So you need at least 20% down if you're going to buy this rental property. However, if you are going to be buying a 1 to 4plex, then you can actually move in there, live in there yourself, and then you can pay as little as 3% down. You're going to need at least 720 credit score. Yes, you can get financed with less. I want to see you at least at 720 or above, 740 to be ideal to get the best rates. So if you can't get approved through a bank and they say you have what's called high debt to income ratio, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a private money lender. Google private money lending. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to know how much will this place actually cost you per month. So let's say you get it for $210,000. You do 210, you got 20% down, 7% interest. I know that might be on the high side. Property taxes, if you scroll down here a little bit, you see the property tax for 2021. That'll give you a good estimate. Home insurance, don't know, you can get a quote. Comes out to $1,538. However, you also want to take in consideration vacancy of 10% per year, $100 a month in repairs, and another 10% property management fee. Add all that together, that comes out to $1,938 minus $2,100, gives you $162 a month. Net positive cash flow on the front end. Does not include debt pay down or appreciation alone. And that is all the steps in a nutshell on how you buy a rental property. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope I made it under 2 minutes, and I'll see you on the next one.